Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps and notifications. Then let's tap on advanced and find special app access. Here in this list, let's localize the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course, we can change it. Just tap on the app, for example, Chrome, and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. As always, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.